Hey trumpet players, let's talk about something important, sticky valves. We all have it happen to us, and I want to address the different ways we can fix it. It really boils down to three different things: the general handling of the trumpet, the oiling of the valves, and the way we hold and press down our valves. The handling of our instrument is very important. If we get a little ding or a little dent in any of these valve casings, or if we push down the tubing on any of these, if we drop it, if we accidentally smash it, the valves won't work. To oil our valves, it's a simple process once you know how to do it, and I recommend oiling your valves often. The first thing you want to do is unscrew the top of each valve. And you want to unscrew all three. And you're going to pull them out about halfway. Keep my trumpet at an angle so that they don't go flying in or out. You just take some oil and you apply it to each silver part around the holes. You don't put it in the holes, but again, around the holes. So I'm dabbing the silver part. I'm not going inside the hole. I'm not doing the gold part. I'm just doing the thicker tube, and I'm just kind of outlining the circle. And I do that for all three valves. So then all you do is gently slide the valves back in and tighten the top. All right, I'm feeling good. I've oiled my valves. I'm ready to play my trumpet. If your trumpet does not make a sound or feels like a stuffed up vacuum after you oil your valves, there's a quick fix. It just means that your valves have been turned in a way where those vacuums, those tubes are not connecting. Okay, that's okay. All you have to do, you finally get to touch the top button. You're gonna slowly tighten it until you hear that click. Listen. That means that the valves have finally aligned correctly. One last check for sticky valves. If you're still having problems with a sticky valve every once in a while, make sure your hand is curved over the valves like this and you're pushing straight up and down. A lot of beginners flatten out their fingers or let their first knuckles fold. And when that happens, we're actually pushing our valve sideways, which makes it rub in the tube. So make sure you're pushing straight up and down, and often that will be a quick fix to make sure your valves are moving. Let's do a quick sticky valve recap. First, make sure you don't have any little dents or dings in your valve. That will affect the valve being able to go up and down. Number two, make sure you oil your valves often. Loosen the tube tops, slide your valves out 3/4 of the way, oil around the holes, slide the valves back in, and don't forget, if the air is not blowing freely, tighten the tops until you hear a click, and it should work. Lastly, make sure you hold your trumpet and put your valves straight up and down by curving your fingers. Don't flatten your fingers and push sideways. Straight up and down, and you should be able to rock.